What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Sports Room. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out our channel. Today, I am going to be getting into my first box of First Off the Line on this channel for you guys in the 2021 Prizm Football FOTL First Off the Line. Meant to bring this to you guys last week, but I was on vacation, so I apologize for the delay. Nevertheless, we're going to get into it today, get a look at this product for you guys. Let's get right over here into Cardboard Connection and get a little bit of a product breakdown for you and some pricing. Looks like hobby boxes you can pick up about $13.95 when you hit the Buy It Now link on Cardboard Connection through eBay. I do know that these are going for about $2,050, I think is the lowest that I saw on eBay. We'll get into a couple other sites to show you some other pricing on these. Let's see here. A hobby heavyweight Panini Prizm Football is home to some of the most popular rookie cards and parallels of the year. Collectors may notice some tweaks to the hobby box output, which now averages 4 silver prisms up from 2 last year, 10 numbered prisms up from 9, and 5 inserts up from 4. Hobby boxes hold steady with 2 autographs. The first off the line is also going to have one of those shimmer autographs, and we'll get into more of that in a minute. Multiple formats with exclusives are expected. This includes the first off the line boxes, exclusive shimmer cards. FOTL boxes start at $2,500 and drop in price until selling out, hitting the floor at $750. I believe these got as low as $14.25. I picked mine up. The boxes that I got for just under $1,500, so I got really lucky that Panini kept booting me out, and I had to keep getting back in at a lower price. So thank you for that. The base set for 2021 Panini Prizm Football totals 440 cards. This includes top players of today and yesterday, plus 110 rookies, falling 2 per hobby pack. As usual, the parallel rainbow is filled with prisms. Hobby exclusive include orange waves to 60, navy camos to 25, forest camos to 15. And as far as the short print, snake skin prisms fall 1 per case on average. Let's see here. The 2021 Prizm Football base prisms parallels breakdown. There's the hobby breakdown right there. As you can see, all the way from the silvers all the way down to the black finite prisms. The no huddle prism parallels. You have the, probably won't get into that because we're not going to be doing no huddle until I believe this week or next week. Let me see. Prizm Football inserts. The 2021 Panini Prizm Football checklist moves to inserts. Debuts include Prizm Break and new recruits. The anime-inspired manga is also a new choice and is noted as ultra rare. Haven't seen one of those yet. That would be super cool. Chase more short printed inserts via Illumination, 35 cards, Instant Impact, and the Stained Glass. Also, the elusive Color Blast cards fall once in every 10 cases. Super rare there. Prizm Football Autos. Hits fill out the rest of the 2021 Panini Prizm Football, and naturally, the first year names are featured here, as well with rookie autographs and hobby exclusive rookie patch autographs. There's the rookie auto there and the Trey Lance, and then the rookie patch looks like a gold there with the Trevor Lawrence. Here's the hobby breakdown, the no huddle breakdown for all of your autos there. Franchise Legend signatures boast a star-studded autograph set that features some of the biggest names in NFL history. They debuted, or they're showcasing Bill Parcells there in that name, in that list. The Prizm Football Franchise Legends signatures parallels breakdown are as follows. You can see the base all the way down to the black finite prisms. Release date was June 3rd on this product, so I am a little behind, like I said, but nevertheless, FOTL is always a fun break, so we're going to get into these. Looking right here, as you can see, the hobby box break average, 2 autos, 10 prisms, 4 silvers, 5 inserts, 24 rookies. We are doing the FOTL, so we get the 2 autos with the 1 FOTL shimmer. The 10 numbered prisms, 2 of those will be FOTL shimmer prisms, and then everything else is pretty much the same as a hobby breakdown, 4 silvers, 5 inserts, and 24 rookies. Let's go ahead and get over here first into blowout cards. They have the FOTL on their sell sheet at $2,299.95. Over at Dave and Adam's dacardworld.com, giving you guys the extra nod today. They are coming in at also $2,299.95. We do not have any of these available right now for purchase at the sports room. I'm currently holding a few boxes for myself. I don't know if I'm going to hold them or break them or sell them. So if you're local, you want to come by the shop. If you ever feel like throwing an offer my way or wheeling and dealing, I'm always down for something like that. So give me a call, come by and talk. I don't really know what I'm going to be doing with them at this point. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and get to the good stuff. As my beautiful wife would say, we are coming at you with the FOTL Prizm. I have had a chance to break, let me see, 3 of these already. Um, and I have been absolutely wrecked. I had points in every single box that I've opened so far. Uh, all of them were wild card points, and every single wild card point was a 400 point redemption. So a little disappointed in my first 3 boxes, hoping that the one that I picked here for you guys is a little bit more exciting. Let's get into it and find out. All right. Got your base stuff going on there. Okay, we got our first rookie here. Larry Roundtree. Got a Devontae Smith. Oh, we got a nice purple Tua. That's not bad, not bad. Purple 2 is numbered to 125. 71 of 125. Good looking card. And then the Brandon Ayuk hype insert. Go from the other side. Okay. A lot of this base here. I'm probably just not going to show a lot of that stuff, guys. I'm just going to kind of get through to the rookies and the hits here for you. Got Noah Gray, rookie. Javonte Williams. We have our first FOTL exclusive, the Odell Beckham Blue Shimmer. Those ones are numbered to 25, numbered 5 of 25 there for the OBJ. Excuse me. Got a blue cracked ice Marlon Humphrey, numbered to 99. The last card is an auto in there. Cool. Got our first auto. It is Larry Roundtree III. Blue Shimmer auto. 14 of 25. Let's see here. Nick Bolton. Kellen Mond. Oh, that's cool. Got a Pat Fryermuth. 41 of 60. Okay, gold wave. That's a cool card. Definitely go in our little hits pile there. Zach Cunningham. Kid Reporter. Okay. Up here to our rookies. All right. Davis Mills. Shai Smith. Got another FOTL exclusive. Austin Hooper. Red Shimmer to 35. Bad, not bad. We got a Robert Woods. Purple cracked ice, numbered to 225. And a Rashad Bateman Emergent insert. Slide over here. My camera arm is kind of getting in my way here. Skip ahead here to the rookies. Oops. Got Elijah Molden. Caleb Fairley. A Christian McCaffrey, number to 225, purple crack dice. And a Joe Burrow Prizm break insert. Still got one more auto in here. Or points. Jalen Darden. Chaz Sherratt. Got our FOTL Bradley Chubb Blue Shimmer. Number to 25. Very good looking card there. Got a Jalen Ramsey. Number to 60. And an Ian Thomas Silver Prizm. I think it's our first silver. I think we had that insert. Never mind. 2 now. All right. Elijah Moore. Jake Funk. There we go. We got a little pulsar action going on. Buda Baker. Number to 175. Actually, that's not a pulsar. It's a... I'm drawing a blank this morning. Saquon Barkley, fireworks insert. All right. Right ahead there to the rookies. Michael Carter. Ernest Jones. Ooh, we got a nice one here. Trey Lance. FOTL. Blue Shimmer. Numbered to 25. Numbered 1 of 25. That is a nice one. There we go. That's a beaut. See if I can find something to put that in. Nice. There we go. Trey Lance, 1 of 25, blue FOTL shimmer. Little off center, but we'll probably still submit that one. And we got our second auto, Jamin Davis. Number to 75. That Trey Lance was a nice card. All right. These guys here. Oh. A little Mac Jones action there. Mac Jones, base rookie. That in our little hit pile. Pete Werner. Jamie Newman. Number to 249. He's a QB. I'll go ahead and give him a sleeve on there. And a Micah Parsons Silver Prizm rookie. All right, guys. 3 packs left here. Hope everybody's having an amazing day today. Let's see. Looks like we got another FOTL insert here. Javon Holland, rookie. De'Ami Brown. We got Jarius Sneed. The red FOTL, number to 35. Jared Cook, Blue Wave, number to 199. And the Miles Gaskin Silver Prizm. Rookies. Racy McMath, excuse me. Des Fitzpatrick, rookie. And our Anthony Miller is our Silver Prizm out of that pack. All right, guys, last pack magic here. Let's see what we get. Got some kind of gold something in there. Bronze, maybe. Okay, got the rookies out of there. Rashawn Slater. Freiermuth, rookie. And the TD, Terrell Davis. Horribly off-centered. I can actually see the next card cut there, which looks like it was going to be a silver. 201 of 249. Probably won't be submitting that one. Alvin Kamara, Brilliance insert. All right, guys, just kind of going over some of the better hits in that box. We had the Mac Jones base. The Jamin Davis rookie auto to 75. The Freiermuth wave to 60. The Larry Roundtree III auto, blue shimmer. And then probably the best hit of the box there, the Trey Lance rookie number to 25. Numbered 1 of 25. Nice hit. That'll do it for this box. I'm happy with my hit there. Definitely better than the first 3 boxes. I didn't get any points, so I have broken my little bad luck spell there with first off the line. Let me know what you guys thought down in the comments section. I had a lot of fun opening this. I love opening Prizm football. Also, make sure you smash that like button and drop us a subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's free to do so, and it really helps to grow the channel. And you guys have just been amazing so far with your support, your comments, and all the suggestions that you've been giving me. Keep them coming. I continue to strive to get better for you guys and keep bringing you boxes. If there's anything you guys want to see me open in the future, definitely let me know down below in the comment section. Until next time, guys, be well, be safe, and as always, please rip responsibly. Have a great day.